our Jade ceramic certification class, which is a one-day course where you will learn how to properly install and maintain a ceramic coating. Ceramic coatings are truly one of the most advanced forms of paint protection on the market and far outperform traditional waxes and sealants.
Before I came to the class, I felt as if I wasn't comfortable to start doing coatings and stuff, even though I'd had some prior education on how to do them. But leaving today, I'm ready to coat my brand new truck and start taking jobs.
I learned a good bit, really just things that sharpen my detail skills and maybe take my business to the next step.
The instructors were very friendly and very thorough and answered my million questions, and I think taught me everything I needed to know today.
I think the guys are informative. It's a good environment to learn in, and they really make you feel at home.
It's more than worth the money. You can make back the cost of it in your first job. I got 3 jobs lined up for next week.